Okay, this is the July 28th GreatStockPicks.com highlights from the live trading chat room today. I'll start with ABC. This one is becoming a staple in the room. It's been so crazy lately. We called ABC on a break of this candle's high, so we did it again. We caught this within 5 minutes of the low of the day. Trigger to buy was right there. The numbers are 28.30. Worst case stop 17 cents below. Worst case stop right here at 28, I think 13. Never got hit. So on 17 cents risk from 28.30, ultimately this thing moved all the way up here to 29.15 for an 85-cent move in our favor. Again on 17 cents risk that never got hit. So very nice risk reward payoff there on ABC. AMLN. We did it again. We caught this within about 5 minutes of the low of the day, really about 10 minutes. We called it on a break of this candle's high. Trigger to buy it was right here at 18.21. Worst case stop 12 cents below that never got hit. And from 18.21, this thing made it almost to 19, made it to 18.99 for a 78-cent move in our favor. Again on 12 cents risk that never got hit. So a nice risk reward there on AMLN. Express Scripts ESRX is one that one of our members mentioned. This long base. And I looked at it and said, you know what, over the microphone is how I called this one. I said around 4206, 4207, something like that. In other words, make it cleanly break out of this base. Long base here. So 4207, I think, was the official call over the microphone. I said worst case stop below the base. Stop was only 17 cents below. Never got hit. And from 4207, made it all the way to 43 for a 93-cent move in our favor. Again on 17 cents risk. JEC. We did it again. Caught this within 5 minutes of the low of the day. We called it on a break of this candle's high. There was the trigger. Here was the stop. Not a huge mover, but we called it at 35.81. Stopped 21 cents below. And ended up making it to 36.38 up here. Again, not a very huge move or anything, but certainly a decent little risk-reward trade. And then also one short I want to throw in there, United Airlines. We already had this on short watch on our member page anyway. And then we called it on a break, caught it within about 10 minutes of the high of the day. Called it on a break of this candle's low as a short. Give you the numbers. There was the short, and there was the stop. So the short trigger was 24.29 right here, and the worst case stop only 13 cents above that never got hit. And from 24.29, ultimately this went all the way down to 23.39 for a 90-cent move in our favor. Again on 13 cents risk that never got hit. So that's the highlights from the day. Again, as you'll notice, everything we call has to have a really close trigger and stop, very tight trigger and stop. Otherwise, we won't call it. So it takes patience, but we're still making some nice trades in there. And I'm going to wrap this up, and we'll have a follow-up video or a highlight video again tomorrow night. Have a great night.